At Denny's Roofing, we understand that your home is your sanctuary, where your family's safety is paramount. When unexpected hail or windstorms strike in Longmont, Colorado, you can count on us for prompt assistance with roof repairs or replacements. Our team at Denny's Roofing is committed to guiding you through all your roofing and exterior needs, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. With our expertise, we'll handle your hail roof damage insurance repairs efficiently so you can have peace of mind knowing your property is in capable hands. We are your trusted partner in Longmont, Colorado, dedicated to improving your home or business with top-notch roofing solutions. Regarding hail damage, we don't just fix roofs, we restore your sense of security, protecting what matters most to you. Denny's Roofing specializes in addressing insurance claims for hail roof damage, simplifying the process, and reducing stress. Our experienced professionals ensure that your repairs meet the highest quality standards, providing lasting protection for your property. You can rely on us to handle all the necessary insurance paperwork, making the entire process hassle-free. At Denny's Roofing, we don't just repair roofs, we create safe and comfortable spaces where you and your loved ones can thrive. Discover the difference between working with a roofing company that values your safety and peace of mind above all else. Contact us today at 970-275-4012 or visit our website at dennysroofingllc.com/longmont-roofing-company to learn more about our services. Let us help you make your property a place of security, protection, and comfort, ensuring it's done right every step. Denny's Roofing, your trusted partner for hail roof damage insurance repairs in Longmont, Colorado.